Hello there! Today we are going to learn how to cook a delicious snack. It is made with the next ingredients: Greek yogurt, strawberries, nuts, and a hazelnut cream. And you need to have the next utensils: just a straight surface like the top of a pan or a plate, wax paper, and a knife. First, you need to put the wax paper on the surface. Secondly, you must spread the yogurt on the wax paper. Then, put the hazelnut cream on the yogurt. After that, dice the nuts and sprinkle them on the yogurt. Then, chop the strawberries and put the pieces on the yogurt too. The final step is to put it into the freezer and wait 2 or 3 hours. And now it's time to enjoy it. See you. Take care, guys.